Good morning everyone. Welcome back in module 2 of chapter number 4 of geography, that is map. Dear students, in the previous module we have learnt about the maps. Map is the surface drawing of the earth. Map was firstly made by Greeks. The science of map making is known as cartography. In this module we will study about types of maps and component of a map. So let's further move with types of maps. So there are different types of maps like physical or relief maps, then political maps and thematic maps. Let's discuss physical or relief maps. Maps showing natural features of the earth like mountains, plateaus, plains, rivers, oceans, etc. are called physical or relief maps. In physical maps, different colors are used to show the different layers or different types of physical features. Now, political maps. Political maps showing cities, towns, villages and various countries, states with their boundaries are called political maps. For example, a map of India showing its state is a political map. Now let's further move with thematic maps. Thematic maps are the maps that concentrate mainly on a special theme, for example, weather, rainfall, roads, forests, industries, etc. Now, let's further move with components of a map. To study any of map, it is very important to understand the components. So, the components of the maps are title, distance or scale, using scale on a map, directions and conventional symbol. Title. All the maps have a title that informs the reader what the map is about. If you look at the top of any map, you will find a title. By looking at the title, you can easily make out what the map is about. Now, distance or scale. In a map, the distance on the ground is represented by a scale. In other words, maps are drawn at reduced scale. A scale is a ratio between the actual distance on the ground and the distance shown on the map. Maps compare the size of a map with the actual size of the place. Now, types: small scale maps and large scale maps. The maps that use a small scale and show large area of earth are known as the small scale maps. Large scale maps, the maps that are created by using large scales are called large scale map. Next, using scale on map. The scale on a map can be shown in the following ways, like by a statement or a verbal scale. In a verbal scale, the unit is mentioned verbally, so it is also called the statement scale. Next, by a representative fraction, or you can say RF. In this method, the ratio is represented as a fraction. Next, directions. Directions are also a very significant component of the map. You can take any map, you will find an arrow printed on the right hand corner of the map. The alphabet N is written above the arrow. The arrow is called the north line. It is showing north direction in the map. After knowing the north direction, you can easily find out other directions such as east, west and south. The directions are of two types, cardinal directions and intermediate directions. Cardinal directions. East, west, north, south are the cardinal directions. These are also called cardinal points. These directions intersect each other at right angles. Intermediate directions. The direction between two consecutive cardinal points are called intermediate direction. That's all for this module. Thank you and have